Choose the correct option. How am I feeling? Next one. About self-loathing. I feel sick. My back hurts. Sit alone. Have some water. You should stay. In bed. You should take some medicine. You should make an appointment. You should go to hospital. No problem. Treatment is subsequent. Почему? I got that toothache. Next one will should take and aspirin. Next one will should make an appointment with the dentist. Next one should stay in bed. Next one if box and broken leg. Проблема такая, и нанесла. Трудно вставити по теології. Перше. What's wrong? I feel sick. You should go home. How are you feeling? I feel terrible. My back hurts. Should make an appointment with a doctor. Next once the night I got a headache and I am I think I put you should have some water and take an aspirin. Наступна справа потрібно прислухати аудіогану, вислухати, ставити, що підходить із цих інтеррупта. А потім разом ми з вами перевіряємо.
What's the matter? You look terrible.
I fell off my bicycle and my back hurts a bit.
Come here and sit down for a moment.
Okay, thanks. I hit my head and that hurts too.
I've got some tablets for headaches. You should take one of these.
Thanks. Can I have some water with it?
Sure. Here you are.
Oh dear. That's making me feel sick now.
That's bad. You should make an appointment with your doctor.
Oh, and now I can't feel my leg.
Okay, forget the doctor. You should go to hospital.
Друга у нас будет Си. Третий у нас будет И. Четвертый будет F. Пятый будет D. І останнє буде B. Якщо вам було корисно відео, ставте лайк, підписуйтесь на канал.